Aira Force Waterfall. So which way do we go? It's this way, I think. I don't know where that other path goes to. I didn't put my motorbike boots on today because they got a hole in them and I'd have got wet feet, so I put my Wellingtons on. Now there's two ways you can get to it, that way and down there, I think. Wow, look at that. Look at the water going over the top of that. Then we'll go down that way and walk up over the bridge. Yeah, let's go this way. Be careful because steps are slippy, but they're in good condition. I need the exercise anyway. I'm terribly unfit, but I'm glad I've got my walking stick with me. I wouldn't have come down here without my walking stick. Actually, I'm going to change hands because it's my right leg that gives way, not my left. Wow, look at that. That's bloody impressive. Oh, look at the water going over the top of that. I haven't been down this footpath. It's the first time I've walked down here. Oh. Excuse me if I'm moaning a bit, but I do suffer from back pain. Wow, look at this. Right, we'll keep going down. If you haven't been here, you have to come because it's totally different coming yourself and looking at it than watch somebody else's video about it, because you get the noise from it and everything. Oh. These steps aren't doing my knee very well. I just have to take it slowly. Oh. No rush. Wow, look at that. Whoa. Look at the spray coming off it. There's a log stuck at the top. Got a rag somewhere because the camera's got a bit of water on the lens. nice to walk up to the top and get a shot from the top. First time I've walked along this path, so but it's absolutely wonderful here, look. Oh, here we go, steps up to the bridge. Oh, no, they've got a padlock on there, so they must lock it. Why? That's ridiculous. It's probably got something to do with the National Trust. Oh, grief. This is going to kill me going up here. This is steep. They've got padlocks on the gate. Surprised they haven't got a bloomin' ticket machine. Oh dear, I'm so unfit. Excuse me. Oh, we'll go up this way, it's easier. I was going to go up the other way, but I'm a knackered person. Good thing about filming, if you don't want something on the camera, just edit it out. Of course, I've got all my bike gear on and my jacket and everything is really heavy, so this is like going to the gym for a workout. This is why I can't walk too far. I'm already pushing myself. Anyway, you don't want to hear me moaning. Shut up. Here we are, we're nearly at the top. Nearly at the top. Try not to film those kids. I flew my drone down there. If you look on my channel, you'll see some drone footage of it. It's not very good, but you'll see me flying it down here. I don't know if you can see. That's it. The other way, because I've never been that way before.
Ah, right, you went down the way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I went down that way and around.
Is it slippery?
Yeah, I left my big selfie stick at home. I'm really annoyed.
Oh no!
Because I wanted to dangle the camera over the...
Well, if you like, I can dangle him by the feet You can try that. Yeah, let me take a shot for you. But yeah, it's really giving it some, isn't it?
Yeah. Glad I came down.
Yeah, oh, definitely.
Nice to meet you.
Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Oh, it's nice to get out and meet nice people. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that. There's quite a lot of water going over there today. I'm going to head off to the pub for beer, and hope it's open, because I don't know what time it is. It must be about 11 o'clock. Don't forget to give us a like, thumbs up, you know, all that stuff, and we'll catch you later. Bye everybody.